Hey, what's up, everybody? So I'm at the shop on Sunday trying to get all my projects finished up. I've got the 40-inch bow can, the two Hombo sets, the one hickory dagger, and the custom UR that I made. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to give a discounted price on this one because for whatever reason, my 1,800 grit sandpaper stained the heck out of this, and it's never done that before. But I mean, hopefully the client says they're okay with it. So, but you know, I'm gonna give them a lower price because that doesn't make me happy. And I got these Monkey King cudgels. Gonna put the studs in those and then cord wrap them up. And I gotta get everything finished today because we have another freaking hurricane coming. I just got into this shop, but luckily this shop has never flooded, so I'm hoping it doesn't flood this time. So I'm just gonna lock everything up and pray for the best. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures and try to get everything up off the ground just in case, but I think it's gonna be okay. Really tired of hurricanes, messing up my spooky season. But anyway, as always, link to the shop is in my bio. Warrior arms and props, I am out.